evening, everybody. How are you doing? This is Dr. Vani on behalf of the entire team of VBiotonic, which you don't have to forget to like, share and subscribe to our amazing channel. Welcome to another super cool, super awesome, absolutely brilliant session that we're going to be having right now, right here. So let's start with Biobomb. Like I always say, Biobomb part 4 in today's class. And in today's class of Biobomb, Part 4, I am going to be talking about vitamins. Very, very, very important. बहुत questions आते हैं. It's extremely important because every year one question will come. So I'll try and cover a lot of vitamins, minerals in one 5-minute session. So I promised you कि अगर आप टिक के बैठ के अगले 5 मिनट तक हमारा ये super cool, super awesome session देख लेंगे तो जरूर आपके एग्जाम के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होंगे. तो चलिए, let's start with fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin A. Vitamin A is also known as retinol. So that's your MCQ number 1. I promise in this one slide you'll have 4-5 MCQs. So that's your vitamin A MCQ number 1. Right? ये प्रोविटामिन के फॉर्म में सिक्रेट होता है. It's known as beta carotene. So that's your MCQ number 2. This was your MCQ number 1. It's present in very, very green, deep green and orange vegetables. So what is the color of the food in which A is formed? Orange to yellow, MCQ number 3. Right? In dairy products also it is available in the form of retinol. What are the functions? Whenever you have to see anything, because it's a visual, yes, देखने में मदद करता है. It's a visual helping, visual enhancing vitamin. It's a component of visual pigments, maintenance of epithelial tissues. Visual देखने में help करता है. अगर ये नहीं होगा तो epithelium crack हो जाएगी, epithelium scratch हो जाएगी. It's a antioxidant, so ये हमें free radicals या aging के signs से बचाता है. It helps prevent damage to the cell membranes. So cell membrane में it is a very important constituent. Deficiency से क्या होगा? So you suffer from something which is called as nyctalopia, जिसको हम very, very common night blindness के नाम से जानते हैं. There is problem in the skin. It becomes very itchy, very scaly. There's headache. The person becomes very, very irritable, vomiting, hair loss. Vision goes down, blurred vision, liver and bone damage. All of this and much more with fat soluble vitamin A. So in less than like 1/100th of a class, less than 5 minutes, I have told you everything about vitamin A. What is it? Let's revise before we go back. Vitamin A known as retinol, beta carotene के नाम से भी पाया जाता है, retinol के नाम से भी. What are the functions? Epithelium and eyes. अगर ये कम हो जाए, the person has nyctalopia as well as skin problems. About vitamin A, Biobomb number 4 over. On behalf of the entire team, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our super cool channel. तो चलिए ये पीजिए, घोटिए और खाकर सो जाइए. Bye bye. See you tomorrow sharp at 10 o'clock. Don't forget, tomorrow we will have an epic session on photosynthesis as well as biotechnology. Bye.